guys, welcome back once again to my channel. So on today's video, it's about a meal prep ideas that can make your life easier. Guys, cook your meals in such a way that during the week you don't have to stress yourself to cook at all you need to do is to bring them out, warm them up, and you and your family can enjoy. Okay. If you're new to this channel, I warmly welcome to you. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Please stay with me and let's get started. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and prep them off camera. Then we start with our meal prep. Yoghurt Parfait for breakfast? Yes, please. So I'm adding yogurt to my mason jars, adding some granola and some blueberries. Of course, you can add any fruits you have available, okay? Next, for snacks, I have banana bread. So I have some ripe bananas. We'll go ahead to peel them and put them into a bowl. Then I mash them, add in some eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract. Yes, you can use any flavor of your choice, okay? And some sugar. So I'm gonna mix all together, okay? Next, we'll add my flour, cinnamon powder, baking soda, and some salt. Mix well, but please don't overmix it, okay? We'll transfer butter into my baking pan, top it up with some chocolate chips. Yes, in angomi. Bake it at 350 for 60 minutes, okay? Next, we'll wash my chicken thoroughly with some vinegar, lemon, and some water, okay? My chicken is washed beautifully, and I'm adding in some spices. All the ingredients will be on the description box below, okay? Transfer it into a baking sheet and bake it at 350 for 90 minutes or to your preferred color, okay? Vegetables are ready. We'll add all into a blender to blend. Meanwhile, our chicken is ready. Banana bread is also ready. Guys, the aroma in this house, the aroma was to die for. Look at that. Something sweet, something yummy. baku. Our soup is ready, and I'm so ready to taste this soup. So we're having a fufu patty. To my new subscribers, I warmly welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. And to my lovely, amazing returning subscribers, thank you all so much for the love and support. I'm so grateful, and I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like this video, comment below, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. And until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and happy. Bye!